Little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Did a little rocker now. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Why you look like that, girl? Chill. Oh no, I'm just chilling. What you talking about? That ain't your voice. You got to your regular voice, boy. All right, man. I was just trying to do something cool, man. Don't worry about that. This Sunday I'm gonna be speaking at a church in Cal. Hey, I'm gonna be a pastor. The church always say, "Come as you are." Yes, they do. So I'm coming as a devoted rockologist. Uh-huh. I know all the girls, the uneducated, the galinated. I'm coming in. I'm doing one thing. Just tell them, don't go there, tell them I'm coming this Sunday in Wanda, Georgia, for Ken Kruger. Hey, I'm gonna get a building. I'm gonna let the church say that I can, that I'm gonna get pastor. You already know if I need it, if the church needs it. I'm not a girl. How they do that?